What do you think, Jen?
Pretty good.
This was our sleeping quarters last night. Has not been finished, but I slept pretty dang good. Rhett said he slept. How did you sleep?
Well, then I kind of rolled over, and that's how I pretty much unzipped my own bag. So it was, I got sleep. You know, it was just not comfortable. But
the question was, did you sleep well or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah. So we're gonna get things packed up here and go unload some stuff. This was our view.
Yeah, there's a lot of
horses. Uh-oh. Dad has made a large mistake.
Up there! That was a wild ride.
That was almost a mistake. That almost took a trip.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Turn it around.
Think your tractor can pull it?
I don't think so, but I bet your tractor can pull it.
Hey, we forgot to show the video of the winch. I was winching that off.
Oh, yeah.
Is it scary?
Yeah.
Dad needs to build different ramps, huh?
Yeah, but...
Are you a professional winch operator?
Not much, but... That was some hard work.
All right, so let's get the trailer packed up and then we'll go move all our stuff, okay?
Okay.
Here comes Roy. Comes Roy with some of his stuff. Go up that way. You gotta put it in gear. Oh man, look at that! Don't turn too sharp. Keep going. Oh man! Stop! Stop! Turn to the right. Go. Right there. 10W30. I don't run, I run whatever to keep. I got more.
How'd they put them in? Yeah, I don't know who put them in there. I mean, here's one they ran out of oil. See that color? That bronzy color?
That's enough, boys?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I think that's fine. I'd say she's proper. Yeah.
Well, you know, it makes a difference too if an engine's working.
Outlets.
Something like that real big.
Do you need to do anything somehow?
There it is.
I don't know, it's kind of
Pumping
a
oil down
one-man
the
deal,
oil
I
field.
guess.
They still make them. They make them brand new in full circle homer. About 20,000 will get you one.
See, it's tapered in the back of the cylinder.
Yeah, yeah. The old.
I think that's so
Buddy,
cool.
you're-
There's another one to go.
I mean, really.
That's all brass. All that
Fellers, see, we're watching. I just need flip-flops.
Flip flops and you watch bathrobe.
Yeah.
Guys are supposed to be checking them and they don't go to them for a week at a time.
That's how that Sterling was. We put new rings on
Hey,
it.
push that intake valve open.
Back in there.
Now it's got compression.
There you go. There was a whole lot of them. He had a bunch of them. I suppose it's some oil guy.
The weldy part went off.
The one with the divot went to the top. That's the bottom ones, ain't it?
Those are tops.
Oh, were they? Okay.
Shouldn't matter even anyway. That is professional work, boys.
Dude, you should just went to NASCAR.
I know. Torque spec on these is PFT. You know what PFT stands for?
No.
Can't say it on YouTube. You get in trouble. Pretty freaking tight.
Dude, I think I'm leaving the farming game. Me and Tyler's just gonna let me live up there with him
Yeah.
and video him, man.
We'll just go everywhere and video.
Yeah, go everywhere.
We'll come down to your uncle's place and video him in the field. Actually, your uncle would probably do pretty good on you.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Here, mine's a brand new razor blade.
What's that for? You gonna light up your sweat spot?
Oh. Like, it's a little bit warm to be burning the smoke.
Yeah, I've been meaning to do that for the last few years.
Blew out on the trailer, huh? You get
Let me see if it's too tight.
Oh, yeah.
No, it's
No,
good.
it's good.
It should knock. That means it's good. Okay, well, we'll see if it's gonna fire up.
Should we video this part, or do you want to, like...
Oh, we'll edit like a video from 2 years ago. Put it in.
It's a completely different show.
That's great!
My cameraman fees are pretty pricey, just so you know.
Oh.
All that money on YouTube.
You just being in my presence is like $100 an hour.
Oh, damn.
Oh, you got compression now! Gotta have proof that it ran after we fixed it.
Here's the schoolhouse. Still up. For like 150 years, it's still up. So over here, the lunchroom with that crazy piano. Here is the classroom. So if you guys want to know what this is, put in the comments, okay? See you in the next one.